me see a biggest chance you ever go take, yeah?
Yeah,
to carry somebody who never
drive before.
Go say you teach him, and then you know can't help him with no break nor nothing, right? The man sit down side of me and say, Rasta start the car and put it in the gear, the clutch and use up and clutch and press the gas. Not it, you see just through the right foot, it don't know nothing about driving it full, right?
Yeah, the right foot.
Yeah. When it means press down the clutch, you see, and put it in the gear and ease up and clutch and press the gas. A floor, you know. You see, I'm tired. Jesus have mercy. Concentration left me now. I don't remember nothing. I look under there now. We see what we do. It can't fly over my lip now. Oh my God, me say like a mouse turn over, I know my bread. You know, me say Simon, him sit down over in that side, can't do nothing. Whole break. Me know nothing about number.
Yes, peeps, welcome back to another video. Yeah, man, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, so if you're actually a fan of Peanut Dread, this video is actually for you. Yeah, man, it's a must laugh. Yeah, man, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah, man, hope everybody doing good, fine. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself, you know. Yeah, man. So, at it again, another video. So, me actually have some video me actually I kind of play and just kind of share the audio, just share the moment. Yeah, man. So it is good for get a laugh sometimes still. You know, me actually kind of just share the laughter with it. See you way. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself, man. Yeah, man. So anyway, these videos that I'm actually going to play is all about Peanut Dread. And if you actually know about Peanut Dread is actually he's a YouTuber, right? And also he's actually basically all over the social media, so to say. Peanut Dread is actually a hilarious what they call it, dread or rasta you want to call it, but yeah, man, he's a down to earth person, free spirit, and I tell him full of laughter, you know, full of stories. Yeah, man. So that are the aim of the video. Yeah, man, this time, so we actually kind of just go through some funny moments with Peanut Dread. As you actually hear in the first part, that was actually something to laugh about. Yeah, man, but now I go stay too long on the comment on that still. We'll just play another one and then we just talk on it and go along same time. Yeah, man. Peanut Dread, man. It's a must laugh. The one is a must laugh. Yeah, man, bless up with yourself, man. Alright, so make a hear what Peanut Dread I go at it.
You don't know what's up with my hand going on at it, see?
Set the man by fire.
Rasta, the man said, if you can't stay with me for your night.
Stay with him?
Yes, for your night. Then he will give me some money.
What is this?
Tell me now. What kind of thing them mean? What kind of thing them mean? The big head like Rasta man. Jesus, God Almighty. You don't know what's up with my hand going on at it, see?
Set the man by fire.
Rasta, the man a tape all that. When a man called me, say, what kind of thing that in I first half when me usually do me thing. But right now, he see a man a tell me if you come sleep with him for night. And a be a bad word and be him say that them not good for me.
Sorry about that, peeps. Yeah, well, I leave kind of blowing a while. I'm kind of surprised anyway still. Yeah, man, but me I tell you, man, better know. But it's like everything come out of the man mouth a joke, brother. I swear.
And it's not lie the man telling. Me say sick of the blood. Hey, me show your private number and nothing. I don't know how to get rid of this man, you know.
Can't block private
number. But me can't.
Let me tell you no answer the man. Me tell you no answer, man.
Well, I know what.
I'm not.
Well, I make me hear how. Yeah. Hey, you feel dead enough in it. Your blood clot in you.
No, hey, better say no peanut dread. I swear. All right, so this video is actually explaining that somebody actually said something that he actually totally disagree with, which he actually sound funny anyway still. So in the video, he actually did get a phone call, which are the same person. So Rasta not upon that, and a Rasta thing that, yeah man, one peanut dread man. I swear. No, it is something we laugh about. You know, yeah man, but we just actually go through another video. As me say, peanut dread is a person like this way, in full of joke. If you don't know peanut dread, then you know peanut dread. I swear. Real Jamaica man, full of vibes man. Alright, so we could play that one now. Yeah man.
Me go say to the man now, what did happen to you on the bus, man? The man say, boy, me have a diarrhea, you know. The man have a bosun there. And anyway shirt to come from down my knee and the ganzi, and then shirt them I wear. Me go say to the man, but Slater, oh, you have hide that thing and me them a call it bossy. It no, you not bossy with it, man. You know, she say it thing look like your name shames, man. Cause you shame with it, you know, man. Cause anywhere the long shirt will come from, you hide it. You know, if you push your shirt down in your pants and brandish the thing, man, the fit name boss, man. Cause you're supposed to be bossy with it then, you know, right? Yeah, you shame with it, right? The man not like it, right? Me go say to the man now, what did happen to you on the bus? The man said, why me have a diarrhea, you know. So me go say to the man, then the boss and give the diarrhea. The man, where the bumbo clot, you won't stop, fuck your pussy clot with me and my problem, man. Eh? Bike lick down your blood clot over there and me couldn't help you. And you can't help me with my problem. Why the rat clot, you won't stop, fuck with me and my problem. Eh? No. Everybody see me and my problem and not say nothing to me. And you won't stop, fuck your...
No, to be honest, apologize for the a bit of the language anyway yesterday, but that is us peanut dread still, you know? Yeah man, free spirit and full of vibes and energy. Yeah man, peanut dread is a must watch. You know, you actually up on YouTube, if you type in peanut dread, yeah man, I think it is peanut dread official. Yeah man, love for watching video them, you know, vibes man. Yeah man, I know. Alright, so we'll play another video. Yeah man. Alright, so our next one are peeps. Yeah man.
Going on, right? I'm going to go to the dance in a Rasta man. I believe see that music the people are going to dance after. The man then tap the music halfway and I make clear noise with them mouth, right? What them I say? Hold on. The people are going to dance to him out. The music the people want to hear. Good. When you look now, the one round the hand, select up the fucking mic and say, "Hold up your now, you fuck nobody."
Sorry. My apologies about that one. No, hey, as me say, alright, he's actually down to earth, you know. Free spirit. Yeah man. But Jamaicans are the best, me I tell you, yeah man. I swear. But we finish here where myself still.
If you don't hold up your hand, it make it look like you're a batty man. Come now. Again. Hold up your hand, you not suck no pussy.
Peanut dread, be yourself. Be yourself, peanut dread.
If you don't hold up your hand, it make it look like you're one. That time when you look is a big batty man. I promote the damn thing under the original ship. They may not come out time out. No. You entertain a crowd of people. You not teach the youth them not. Because the girl when serve me, me see her and me remember her. And me call her and say, lady, me never get the cheese ship, you know, ma'am. She say, where bill there? Me say, it depend the bill, ma'am. But me...
So me kind of just comment on this a bit. Alright, so most there are a lot of things where Peanut Dread actually is a storyteller, good storyteller, and I'm not really quite sure if you actually call it if he's a comedian, but he's a vibes man, full of energy and all of these things. Yeah man, he's a must laugh, you know. Yeah man. If you listen Peanut Dread and you know laugh, say you know no Peanut Dread dead, but he's a man where when you listen to him, peeps, you just have a laugh. It's like being around a elder. Well, he's a elder. Still, he's a elderly man. But you don't know elderly people stare. They just full of chat. Yeah, man, of them that man.
If Jesus come pay money right now, the whole of them gonna prison. Because then take it, make big house, buy big car, fridge full of food, land well cut, and collect the money in the name of Jesus. That means if you put on Jesus money, tell when they come, then give me now. Right? Yes! And if Jesus come right now, free money, all of them gonna prison. Then I go up and pick it.
Hey, I better tell about we Jamaicans, you know, full of vibes. Yeah, man, we're full of reasoning. That is what Peanut Dread is all about. It's full of reasoning and it's full of stories, you know. So big up to we elders them, because you know we elders them, they are the ones that they are before us. Yeah, man. So most of them actually say still it's funny, but they can actually make sense out of it still, you know. Yeah, man. One Peanut Dread.
Watch out, man. You know, say you're not fool. Yeah, you learn, you know. And it is right for you to look, listen, and learn. Yeah, boy.
So you think man see it for long?
See it for long. Yeah. Watch out, man. Jesus Christ, man. All time, man, you're long draws, you know, man.
Yeah.
The pants foot and the drawers foot are one length, you know.
Yeah.
Just for see it be turned down. And if you have a long string, right?
Yes.
That means when you go up and slam the woman, you see it flash him under him battery root and a tickle her so. Jesus God is another sweetness love here. So you go up, you know. Yes, man. You see that tickling battery root. Yeah. So while the wood in him belly and when you go down, they see it down there make so lash him under him battery root and tickle him. And they must say, wait, but I have to go. I know it, you know. And get convert.
You know, ride finna ram goat more than we.
Mr. Winner, man, in a clothes, man, I break, make you see it.
I ram goat and go and see them more than we see long and free.
Yes, man, Ram go terribly, no, man. Me like how a man go on when he
Yeah,
want
man,
to focus, man. Eh?
Yeah,
Anyway, can I cut the one that one away still? Yeah, man, but to get the other side is still a man where can hold a reason and him full of vibes. Yeah, man. Every time Peanut Dread talk is just a joke. Yeah, man. Everywhere Peanut Dread go, everybody love him still, you know? Yeah, man. Original Jamaican Peanut Dread. Bless upon yourself, peeps. Yeah, man. One Gabby TV, you know? Yeah, man. But these videos actually like them still because, you know, you actually can get a laugh throughout the day, to be honest. Yeah, man. So I must share the moments, same here still, you know? Yeah, man. So, we have another video we can actually share with you. Yeah, man.
She say, where build it? The girl
Alright, so me actually just gonna start over this. So this is actually a story based on his experience buying something at a Chinaman store.
The girl when serve me, me see her and me remember her. And me call her and say, lady, me never get the cheese chip, you know, ma'am. She say, where build it? Me say, it depend the bill, ma'am, but me never collect it. The lady say, from it depend the bill, him have to hack the Chinese. Right? Lord have mercy, God, the girl go say, me no get me cheese chips and me come back and the man say, no. You go road, go make them teeth the cheese chips and coming back to me, Rasta never stop, no way. Me know nobody no teeth, no cheese chips. Me just know me never get it in a Rasta. God Almighty, when the man say, no. You go road, go make that teeth, the cheese chips and coming back to me. Me say, no, me never get it. The man say, me no hana teeth to give you, you go make them teeth it. And me say, you see, say, nah, it look like him, this I say, nah, again, or Rasta, me couldn't bear it in a teeth. Me say, yes, me I go to prison, you know, right? This nah go so. Me go tell you how tiny it on. I left and go up the road, you know, Rasta, and go see some brick. One whole building broke down, you know, and some brick up there. And me see brick them and me see alright. Watch it joke now. I take up two and I catch it in the palm and my left hand. And hold one in my right hand, you see. And I go back down there, see nothing. I sat there now. And people in there by. And when me run up on the sidewalk, I said, people, watch it! And draw back. The people see me draw back. Some parts and some goes up. So when I ram the one glass case in front of nothing. I when I leg out the first brook and the right and I ram the glass case. Hey, glass.
So Peanut Dread, you're a bad boy. You go to verify your goods and you get your goods, so you have to go and bad. Yeah? That's all like is a real Jamaican. Yeah, man.
Fly so glass, fly so, and the brick fly right in. And me run, me go back out on the road and say, watch out. No shot now this blood clot, no. And dash. Oh, me get up in a rata, me just run and go up the road, you know, and wheel back in there. And I go back down there, PC police come here, and by me reach out down there, and in the road, me see a woman run out, and say, hey, then say, figure you. Your blood clot, yo. Fret the boy start fret. The man say me no hitch. The man no know one X.
Hey, you know, that's something really kind of laugh about still for telling you this truth. Yeah? So the man decides say, I'm going to go for a piece of brick. And I'm going to go back down at the Chinese shop. Yeah? Go defend him goods. When I promote badness anyway, still learn about peeps. When I hear a Jamaican talk, you have to laugh. When I hear a Jamaican talk, it's a must laugh. Yeah, man. But big up yourself, Peanut Dread. Yeah, man. That was actually a good story. You know? Yeah, man. Something for real laugh about. Alright, so I have another one I actually play. Yeah, man. So this video is actually mostly about Peanut Dread, you know? Famous Peanut Dread, man. When them man they talk, you have to laugh because I'm man full of vibes and energy. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Dread. Yeah.
When me come down and go down there, I me do where me see man. So me say, where you do? He say, my look plug. Fi plug in. Laptop. The man come for work and the man go back on yard for laptop. When he come again, he say one shit and go away again. Right? Good. You see when me see him at the doorway, just so me no want to embarrass him, me no lock the door. Me check see a plug. Me say to him, hold on, how you come and search for plug no my place, my brother, no me if you call and ask for plug. And me just turn away. And then come back out with me then and when me have a plug and right? Bam! 2 days after, me did have a phone on the bed. Me can't find the phone. And me substitute phone we have on some of my work. The right phone have on me important work. That one have on some too. Come now, man. Me say dread. You see, say you're not up on your head. You know, say you carry a phone and go left somewhere, man. Come in, no respect, no, man. Hold on. Anywhere you live, your spirit there now. My spirit come to me and say, hold on, you know, come see boy at the doorway. You ain't nothing going in your house. Hold on now. When you come see him at the doorway, and you ask him, say, make your name call you and ask you for plug. You don't know, say, I tell the spirit, I tell you, say something wrong, but your name pick up. Cause blood clot, you see, if my spirit tell me that, me say, if no him, there's no God, right? Me go round up the net that 3 man and me make 4, him the dead make 5. The net that one of them we carry him come up then on. And him carry me now. When me call him and I ask him say, listen, I know me call that man on me place. Why you carry the man come up there and make the man squeegee for me? You when me hear I come out of his mouth. If not me carry him in and me place like me I look him. Yeah. Me I look for see man say, a that thing do. Hold on, and me carry him up there. A that thing ain't going to your place, Rasta. And me the man I say, and me carry, hold on. Kiss me rascal. Me I tell you wickedness can't done. Me fi kill him instant. It's a big stone if you get in face straight. When me hear that come out of my mouth, you know. Me I say, look like, oh, him not sensible neither. So me say, Natty, if you lick him down, you know, you not for sure proof, say, boy, go in your place.
Hey, what a man can tell a story. Yeah? Yes, man. I say the man full of story like a, hey, I best, man. I best. I say, if you hear Peanut Dread talk, I ain't laugh. Say you don't know Peanut Dread. So, that is actually about the experience on his behalf. And he actually expressed himself already. So, Peanut Dread is not a man where you can. The man in a play around. Yeah, man. So we play one other clip and you him go at it. Yeah, man. One Peanut Dread. Yeah.
Me hear the bell spring I go. Curr, curr, curr. Say wait. When me look round, Rotted Michael, he and Mary Sagley know me brethren. And me say backside and get through, man. Me no feel no way now. Right? Alright. And the man done fucking on brethren. And come out and Sagley. And we throw away, drop asleep. Lord my God. You see by there, the near feel like me brethren. Me feel a foot, a touch me, a touch me, a touch me. When me look again, Michael he and Mary Sagla again, 2 times per night and me not get nothing yet. And me get jealous, you know, Rasta. I say, no man. The man can't see me, I put the woman and him get 1 piece already. And me forget me little piece no anything in my morning. And the man 2 times, and me get jealous and me say, yeah, you my brethren. Me case done and make me get for me, you know.
Hey, me no know who no you don't like watch Peanut Dread. I swear. Every time you watch a video or you hear him talk, you just have to laugh. You know? Yeah, man, a drama, man. Yeah, man, but bless upon yourself still no peeps. Yeah, man, one Peanut Dread, man. Alright, so me have one last video me actually play. I hope you know get a laugh so far. Yeah, man. But a Peanut Dread still make everybody laugh anyway still. Yeah, man. So me have one more video me actually can just play and make on hear how I go on cause yeah, man, a vibes on, man.
Yeah, me tell you. Yeah, me tell you because me have a weak finger, you see? And Natty, Jesus God. could me get rid of the little finger? Eh? Everything I use, I could me say no man. Not till look like them rub your hand them and your finger them and go rotten off, you know. Me say when me all heating on that and put me on my mouth so. You see? Me have to say wait, I wish this are dead right there, but yeah. When me make so, Jesus God I hit your blood clot. Me say, I sick. I don't like fault, you know. I want me have to live with the fault, you know, not it. And me say, nothing left when me not try. Me say, hey, you get fuck. You
Anyway, come to the end of the video anyway still, yeah man. So the aim of the video is just to just have a laugh still, you know. Yeah man, a laughter is good. Laughter is the best medicine. Yeah man, that is it. So I hope you guys actually enjoy the video. Coming down, if you make it down all the way down this far. You know, show some support by like, comment and share. Subscribe, tell a friend. Yeah man. So that was some actually nice clips from Peanut Dread. Yeah man. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Until another time for laugh again. Yeah man, bless up on yourself. You know, yeah man. One Gabidan Family TV. That is it. Love and respect to all of my viewers and my subscribers, you know. Yeah man. Life is so simple and we have to just take it with a laugh sometime. Yeah man, that is it. Until another video, guys. Yeah man, bless up on yourself, you know. I'm out.